Hello everyone, welcome to this Excel Magic training program. So today I'm going to teach about Dget function. So Dget function is another important function. So Dget function is nothing but a database function which is alternative to vlookup function. So now we're going to see about what is Dget function, so how it is useful for it. Okay, I have a data like this. Okay, name, month, January, February, March. So these are the company names I have, and also the sales of the January, February and March. So now I want to know, so what is the sales of the company Dget Corp for February and March. So previously we have did in this vlookup. So now I am going to teach about how to do in the Dget function. So in the vlookup we have four helper column will come, like so vlookup, lookup value, after that table, after that the index and in the column index. So fourth is the exact match or appropriate match. But in the Dget function we have only the three columns to fill. So what is the three column? Have to go to this box, put Dget, just Dget, Dget. Okay, so now I give tab. So first helper column, it is asking for the database. So database is nothing but the entire data of the table. So what is the input I have? That is the input, which is database. So comma, so field. So field is nothing but I want the data for February month. That is a field. So I will select the that February field. So if you have already have that, you select that. If you not have, you have to put double quotes and put FEB. Okay, so this is the February month I have selected for field, comma. So criteria. Okay, so the criteria is I want the sales for the Dget Corp. Okay, so you have to select the entire thing, okay, which is name and Dget Corp. Okay, so and give enter. So once you give enter, I get the answer of 3197. So here I get 3197. So Dget Corp is the February month sales is absolutely coming. So now I want the sales of March month. Again, I don't need to put a Dget function again. You have to copy this and you have to paste this. So immediately you will get 1738. Like this, you want the sales for ABC Telecom. You have to select that. Automatically you will get the 2890 and 5375. Hope this Dget function will helpful for you to use as an alternative for the vlookup function. So thanks for watching this video. We will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.